Hi, in front of me is ESSENTIELB HeYou 60 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by accessing calendar and tapping on the month above. From here you need to pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and then tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and customize it however you wish to. You can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also add people, select location, take notes over here, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, and some other things. When you're done, remember to click save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by tapping on it, clicking on the three dots at the top right corner and selecting delete. After that, delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!